How can we use social media wisely to help us become better Muslims?
Well, I think that this is something that we can really do. I mean, we can really make a lot of progress by using the social media in our favor, by spreading the message of truth, by being tolerant, by projecting ourselves as individuals who are human beings first, and then Muslims or Jews or Christians. We spread the message of humanity. We stop spreading hate. We would like to promote that every single individual on earth is our fellow human being, and our message is the message of humanity, in which we bring people together on the basis of universal human values. And I think this is something that can really create a lot of ripples. It can bring people together because, I mean, like decades ago, you were not in contact with people of your own, even on your own city, or maybe in your regarding your immediate neighbors. But now with this powerful tool, you can connect yourself to the farthest corners of the world. And I think uh, first of all, you should decide your own expertise, that what best you can do on the internet. I mean, you can write, you can speak, of course, you can do other things, you can make videos, you can write blogs. So it depends what best you can do. Can you write, can you read, I mean, can you write, can you talk or give a speech, or maybe arrange a discussion, or motivate others to do so. So it depends on your own forte, what best you can do. And once you are able to choose that, then you can use your ability in that sense. And I think if you use it positively, if you use it in the sense that that you have the whole world at your as your audience, you can really reach very far. And the more effective you are, the more convincing you are in your approach, and the more all embracing you are, in which you are talking about humanity as a whole. You're talking about this human family. You're talking about being a global citizen of the world. Uh, and you're talking about crossing all these divides of ethnicity, language, even religion, and starting off as a human being, or as people who were born in this world, and they share this common human bond. So I think if you start off with this basic message, and also are able to determine the field in which you can make that impact, then you can really, I would say, work wonders.